Lighten up.
Are you an idiot? Watch out. That's pretty cool, man.
I wanted it to go up in the air, man.
It was still cool.
Set up another one or so.
Yeah. But, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, you go first.
Dude.
Farm animal.
I don't like this.
Good luck, good luck.
What do you think it is?
Turn the flash off a little bit.
No. Whatever it is, I want to see it. What is that?
Should I throw a firework at it?
Let's try to see what that is. What the hell, man? You ready me to go first? Oh, fuck. You're fine. What is that? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? What is that? Dude, what is that? Dude, we need to get the hell out of here.
Go get it.
I'm not getting near that. I'm not getting near that. Dude, we gotta get the hell out of here.
Should I throw a firework at it?
No. Run. Dude, what? Is it still there? Go! No! Run! Run! We gotta take the car. What the f?
Dude, come on!
What the hell? What the hell?
A boy was hearing screams coming from a tunnel, and that's when he decided to take his camera and check out the place.
I like screaming or something in this tunnel. I'm gonna go check it out. What the hell?
Suddenly, the boy hears a very strange noise coming from the back of the place.
Hello?
By improving the image, we can better see something strange inside the tunnel. This man was walking through a forest at night, probably investigating strange noises in nature. That's when he pointed his flashlight into the darkness and found this. What do you think this creature is?
I warn you, what you are about to hear is very disturbing indeed.